welcome back. This is another week with Brian the Scientist. I'm going to show you another experiment you can do at home with your wonderful shipment from Purple Door Ice Cream. And once again, we've received another shipment of lots of delicious pints of Purple Door ice cream. But again, the fun part is the dry ice that we've received in the container. So, if you remember from last week, the dry ice is very cold. It's frozen carbon dioxide gas, It sublimes at minus 78 degrees Celsius. So it's very cold, so we do have to use personal protective equipment. So we have these rubber gloves to help keep our hands from freezing. And maybe most importantly, we always need safety glasses. My safety glasses. And what we're going to do today is make a crystal ball. A dry ice crystal ball. So we also have our dry ice in our Ziploc bag from last week. We're still waiting for it to pop. And what I'm going to do is take our glass with a nice smooth surface on it. I'm going to put a little bit of warm water in there. We don't need a lot of warm water. It's just enough to be able to keep the dry ice warm. Okay, so as I put in, I'm going to try to make some small chunks here. Here we go, just bang on the counter. And I'm going to put this is a rather large chunk in there, but it's going to produce a lot of gas, which is what we want. I'm going to take some liquid dish soap. Just put some on a plate here. And I'm going to put a little bit on my finger. And so I'll take this dish soap and make a nice smooth ring around the top of the glass. Just a couple rounds will do it. And then I'm going to take a paper towel that I've rolled up, run it through this liquid detergent, and I'm going to slide this across the top of the glass. And I found that you have to do this kind of slowly so that you don't break the bubble. And so as you slowly bring this across, you'll see the bubble start to form, which is going to be our crystal ball. There we go. Oh, there's our crystal ball, but I broke it the first time. Let's see if I can do this again. I don't know how big it can get. It takes a lot of concentration. And you have to be a really good scientist. As soon as I get it over here, it's going to start building up. So it looks like it's popping on its own because it's probably about as big as it can get for this type of soap. Try it one more time. Maybe I'll try it faster this time. Nope. It is possible that Brian the Scientist is not a good enough scientist to be able to pull this off. Give it one more try. I think slow is definitely the way to go. As soon as you start to close it off, it starts to form that crystal ball, but it looks like it likes to pop before it gets too big. So if you can pull off this experiment, I know that Purple Door Ice Cream would be very excited to hear about it and see it. So if you could post it to their Facebook page, that would be amazing. Maybe I can learn something from you guys. And it might just be that's about as big as the bubble can get. This one's pretty good. So this is our carbon dioxide dry ice crystal ball. If you look hard enough in there, you can probably see the future. Thank you very much for watching the video this week, and enjoy your experiments at home.